Is this thing on? Okay, yeah, it's on. So today I just got a very rare fidget spinner in the mail. It's pretty rare. Got it for like 10 bucks on eBay, so go check that out. So let's just open this up. And 3, 2, 1. And so I don't even know if I need scissors. Yeah, I'll just use them. Comes in. Oh shoot! Oh, it comes in this little case here. Let's open it. And here it is. I think they put it in the wrong case here. It's a wheel. Yes. It's the wheel fidget spinner. So, I've been wanting this for a long time. It's a wheel. So, here it is. The edge, the golden edges, they're golden. And it is so quiet. Listen. And yeah, it's so good. And you could rub your finger against it. It feels really good. And the inside of it, this black part, it is plastic. So yeah. And I don't know if you can take the caps off, but you could barely even, it's so cool. It's so fast too. So let's do it. And it has these little ridges in it. So you could just do that. It's so cool. Oh, so yeah, we're gonna do a time lapse to see how long this thing could spin, and then we could compare it to this one that I reviewed before. This one's much louder, but let's go and let's review and do a time lapse of this one. See ya. Bye. So guys, it's stopping now, and wow, it's going for 3 minutes and about 7 seconds. So about 3 minutes 10 seconds. So that is so good. It's so good. I recommend you should get one of these because they're very cheap if you go on eBay. Hey, because yeah, I'll put the link in the description to where I got this. It was 10 bucks on Amazon, so just go click that link in the description. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.